Hello, here are some notes for two-step variable equations. The first thing that we do, let me see if there's something underneath it. Oops. Oh, there's not. We need to add, hold on, I'm making a movie, Amy. Add or subtract. And then the second step, when we have two-step variable equations, is to multiply or divide. So write that down, and then let's get some practice. I'm going to draw train tracks to show you how to do this. Train tracks. Train tracks. I'm going to highlight the letter so that I pay attention to what side is important. That's not what I need. All right, I got the letter A, so I'm going to do all my work on this side with the letter A. First step is to plus or minus, and since it's plus 2, I can show you that with a magic pen. Because it's plus 2, I have to subtract 2. This might look really funny. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, minus 2 on this side and then minus 2 on this side. So then I bring down a divided by 4. 6 take away 2 is 4. So step 1 is done. Now we need to multiply or divide. Well, we still have the letter A, and it's being divided by 4, so we have to times 4, like we learned last week and the week before. Now that cancels that out, and I have A. 4 times 4 is 16. So that part is done. I don't have a ton of room to show you the check step, but I'm going to. I'm going to move this down. Bear with me. Okay, we're going to take the original problem, magic pen, this one, and we're going to put in 16 for this A. So I copy it, and it's 6 equals, and now I'm using 16. It tells me to divide by 4 and add 2. So keep working that out. 16 divided by 4 is 4, plus 2. 6 equals 6. All I had to do, if I, look at my steps, I added and subtracted. In this case, I subtracted. And then I multiplied or divide. In this case, I multiplied. And I got my answer. So we're going to do that again with some negatives. Okay, set yourself up with a highlighter. The letter is X, so we are focusing on this side. Now it says X divided by 4 minus 6. So we know that we need a plus or minus, and so that would be minus 6, so we have to plus 6. So let's get red, plus 6, plus 6. Bring down X divided by 4. This makes nothing. And negative 5 plus 6 is 1. Okay, so our first step we already did. Plus or minus, we plussed. So now we have to multiply or divide. Well, I see that we have divide by 4, so we need to times 4 times 4. Kind of cancels each other out. I have X, and 1 times 4 is 4. So X equals 4. And we are going to get this original problem. We're going to rewrite it, but I'm not using X anymore. I think I just found X is 4. So we're going to say 4 divided by 4, take away 6. So we have 4 divided by 4, take away 6 is supposed to be negative 5. This 4 divided by 4 is 1, take away 6. Yeah, that's negative 5. Let me get rid of that. -5 equals -5. And again, we use our calculator. So in red, you can see my steps. I plus 6, and I times 4, plus 6, and times 4. We're doing good. All right, trying some more, oops, stuff down here. I've got one more problem because this probably is going to not let me record so much. Letter is X, so I'm starting with this side, okay? Minus 10, add 10, plus 10, plus 10. Bring down 2x, that cancels out. 90 plus 10 is 100. Now we're timesing or dividing, so I know that I still have this x, so I have to divide by the 2 that's next to it. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This makes nothing. X 100 divided by 2 is 50. So we'll take our original problem, and it is 2x minus 10 equals 90. And 50 is the new, thank you, 50 is the new x. So we can write it like this. 2 times 50, take away 10, is 90. And if you do that on your calculator, you'll be happy because 90 equals 90. Okay, I'd like for you to do this one. And then the next page.